What is going on, guys? Got another unboxing here for you. This is the Samsung NVMe SSD 960 EVO M.2, 250 gigabytes. Let's do our little walk around the box now. There's the front, going around this thing quickly. And let's take a look at the bottom. You know, I love when they put the warranty nice and big like that right on the back. 3-year warranty with this one. So I purchased this drive to install in my MSI X299 SLI Plus motherboard. Let's go ahead now and get this out of the box. So this is my first M.2 drive, and I thought it'd be a little bigger. It's actually pretty small. Down underneath here, there must be some paperwork, yes. So here's a look at this little guy. It's very light, very thin, and very small. A lot smaller than I thought it would be. So with this big sticker on here, I can't really point to the chips on the top, but I can go over some of the specifications here on the 960 EVO in comparison to the 960 Pro. So the 960 EVO uses the Samsung TLC V-NAND for its storage memory. It also uses the Samsung Polaris controller. Now, talking about the read and the write speeds compared to the 960 Pro, the 960 EVO can read at a max of 3200 megs a second and write at a max of 900 megs a second, compared to the 960 Pro, which can actually read at 3500 megs a second and write at 2100 megs a second. So there is a difference there, and of course the 960 Pro is going to cost a little more. So when you're trying to decide on buying one of these M.2 drives, there is a difference between the 960 EVO and the 960 Pro that's very important, and that would be the type of NAND that they use. So the Pro version uses MLC, and this EVO right here uses TLC. And a lot of that comes down to how long these little SSDs are going to last. So make sure you do a little research before you purchase one of these. You know, if you want one that's going to last longer and be the most expensive, that's probably going to be your SLC NAND, as opposed to buying the MLC or the EMLC or the TLC like this one, which is the TLC. That's pretty much all I had for you for this video. Is a quick little simple basic video on this 960 EVO, and I would say they're getting old quick, so if you're interested, you got to get out there and buy one. So if you want to know the most up-to-date price, I'll have a link down in the description. Click that, go to Amazon, you can see the most up-to-date price for this 960 EVO. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.